Hello everyone, we have a question here and it's from JAMB 1986 question 3. The question is divide the LCM of 48, 64 and 80 by their HCF. Here are the options. Solution. And the question wants us to divide the LCM by the HCF. Firstly, to do that, each of these numbers given, we express them as a product of prime factor. Here we have 2, 24, we still go with 2. Here we have 12, still go with 2. Here we have 6. Here we have 2. We have 3. And here we have 3, 1. Then we proceed to the next one, which is 64. 64 is 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 28, 4. Then you have 24, 2, 2, 22, 1. Then with 64, then we move to 80. We express also 82 as a product of prime factor 2, 40, 2, 20, 20, 10, 20, 5. Then here we have 5, 1. Now we have expressed each of these as a product of prime factors. Now that means we have it to be 48 to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. Then we have 64 to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. Then we have 80 to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Yeah, what we are just doing here is we are expressing each of these numbers as product of prime factor. We also, this 48 is also the same thing as 2 raised to power 4 times 3. 64 is also the same thing as 2 raised to power 6. Then 80 is same thing as 2 raised to power 4 times 5 raised to power 1. So the same thing. Now, for us to now get our HCF now, the HCF is now going to be, now here we have 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 4. It's going to be the lowest, power of the common factors we have here. We have 2 here, 2 is here, 2 is here. We have 3 here, 3 is not here, and 5 is not here. So the HCF here is going to be, here is 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 4. So the lowest out of this factor is 2 raised to power 4. So the HCF is 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. We are done with the HCF. Now we also need to get the LCM. LCM, lowest common multiple. Here now the LCM is going to be the highest factor present. Now here there is 2, there is 3, there is 5. So the highest factor of 2 is 6. So that's going to be 2 raised to power 6 times the highest factor of 3 is what? 3 raised to power 1. And the highest factor of 5 is 5 raised to power 1. Here is going to be the highest factor of the factors, all the factors present. The factors present here are 2, 3, and 5. That's why we have this. So this is 2 raised to power 6, 32 times 15. That will give us 960. Now the question asks us to divide the LCM by, so we want to calculate LCM divided by HCF, which that is equals to LCM all over HCF. Now LCM here is 960 all over HCF here is 16. We also want to go by we have 960 here is 2 raised to power 6 times 3 raised to power 1 times 5 all over HCF is 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4. So here we are going to have 2 raised to power 2 times 3 times 5. So here we are going to have 4 times 15, and that's going to give us 60. That means the correct option here is 60. Now all I've just done is I just decided to make use of the factors of 960 that we have here, so that I would be able to work through without making use of a calculator. Or we can divide 3 here, 90 divided by 60 is going to give us a 60. So the correct option here is option D. Surely